Hi, my name's Jen. I'm a trauma nurse. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I
One
want you to
second.
stay nice and still, okay, for me? I want to get you on your back and I want to keep your neck stable, okay? Is anything hurting right now? Is anything hurting right now? No, I want you to stay down. I want you to stay down, okay? Can you do that for me? Okay. All right, let's lie you flat. Let's get the bag. Help me get the bag off. All right.
1 second. Bottom.
What's your name?
Serhi.
Nice to meet you. All right.
Oh, I'm okay.
No, I want you to still stay still. Okay? All right. No, do not. Thank you. All right. We're just going to keep you stable, okay? Here you go. And how old are you?
38.
40? Yeah. Is anything hurting right now at all?
Just my knee.
Just your knee? Okay.
Left.
The left knee?